Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by testing a hidden area to confirm paint won't lift. This avoids surprises. Then, heat the sticker edge with a hairdryer for 20-30 seconds to soften glue so it peels. Use a plastic scraper at a low angle and gently lift one corner. You want slow, steady motion to prevent paint damage. Once the corner comes up, keep heating intermittently and pull parallel to the wall to minimize stress on the surface. Once the sticker is off, treat remaining adhesive with mild soapy water or a little rubbing alcohol depending on paint sensitivity. Test first. Apply solvent sparingly and let it sit for a minute so the residue loosens, then wipe with a microfiber cloth or soft brush. If adhesive resists, reapply heat briefly and try the solvent again in small patches rather than soaking the whole wall. This targeted approach preserves the To finish, clean the area with warm water and a microfiber cloth, then dry and inspect for any paint lift. If you find tiny chips, sand lightly, prime only where needed, and touch up with matching paint. This preserves color continuity. If larger sections peel or the surface feels weak, stop. Continued scraping will worsen it. In that case, consider a patch or professional repaint to restore the wall rather than forcing further removal, which risks bigger repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.